Hello there. I'm hoping you are doing good and wondering what this video is about. Have you wondered what is the huge difference between adults and kids? I'm sure with COVID and the much awaited work from home, the universe has given you a lot of opportunity to think and be happy or worry about kids being close around you day in, day out. All the more time to show your love and care for them. Also, be a little more tough to them when needed. Let me tell you the situation at my home. My own nephews are toddlers and they have so much fun, excitement, energy in them. They just don't manage to stay in one place for more than a minute. Of course, unless there is screen time, which is a big no for the kids. Yeah, we wish. What is the one thing that drives them with so much energy and fun while we are, though in the 30s, 40s, 50s, already appear old, grumpy, tired, and done for the life? You place a table full of food and look at their eagerness to deep dive. Take them out to an open area and see that they will show you what you should be doing when nature has given us so much to relish. Now, are you not wondering? You were this child once upon a time, living life to the fullest, but now you have stopped living. Why? Why is this so? What has changed? Is it that you went to school? Then you got a graduation at a university? Maybe now you have a high paying job as well? Or also to add on, you have a new family setup? Friends, but aren't this the very reason you should be living a more happier and enjoying life now that you have all that you have always wanted? So then, what is it that keeps these kiddos so happy and joyous and ecstatic all the time, even though they have none of your possessions or none of what you have? Let me tell you, these munchkins know no bounds to the possibilities in life, and there is no limit to their imagination. Don't you want to get back to a life full of possibilities and create what you have imagined for your life to be? Don't you want to build that life that you have always wished for? Great. Let's get this done for you.